Welcome to this week's African Agri Overview. This week we focus on the maize market and see that the regional picture is starting to improve. The question, however, is what impact can this have on prices? Proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. The latest maize spot prices traded as follows: Johannesburg on $265, Beira on $250, Lilongwe on $220, Harare on $330, Lusaka on $210, Dar es Salaam on $285, Nairobi on $370, Kampala on $400 and Kigali on $355 per metric ton. Remember, if you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements, or become one of our sponsors on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent helping banks and other financiers keeping their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they are known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pienaar, our regular market analyst in Africa, for this week's update on the grain markets.
Good day, viewers, and thanks for joining. Early April, we discussed the regional maize picture for East, Southeast and Southern Africa and reported the outlook for the 2025-26 year, a period running more or less from mid-2025 to mid-2026, looks significantly better compared to 2024-25. We are pleased to report our view remains unchanged. As always, take note, estimates in this podcast are based on information at our disposal, which in many cases are limited. This table indicates the net import and net export countries for the region for the 2024-25 year, as well as our forecast for the 2025-26 year. In this podcast, we will focus on the 2025-26 year, basically the outlook for the next 12 months. We foresee the import need from the usual net import countries likely to decline by around 20 to 25% when compared with the previous year, mainly due to better expected production. The combined exportable surplus in the usual net exporting countries are expected to remain similar. We estimate the regional balance sheet could turn from a small deficit to a surplus in the region of 1 million tons. Let's turn our focus to the significant changes we expect during 2025-26 when compared with the previous year, starting with the net importers. We expect the Zimbabwe import need could be down by 500,000 tons due to a bigger expected crop. The Mozambique import need likely to disappear, also due to a bigger crop. Previously, it was thought the cyclone in March had a significant impact on the crop in northern Mozambique, but it now seems the effect was not substantial. The most noteworthy change, though, is Zambia moving from a 400,000 ton net import country to a 500,000 ton net export country, nearly a 1 million ton swing. Zambia has elections next year, and the government is likely to control exports. However, observers confident maize meal exports will be allowed, and it is impossible to stop informal exports to Malawi across porous borders when Malawi has a deficit. Once again, we have to mention, it remains extremely difficult to forecast the DRC import need, and our estimates are based on restricted information. Also, the DRC has limited milling capacity, and the majority of their import need is in the form of maize meal. The lack of a brand market in the DRC makes it difficult for locally produced maize meal to compete with imports. For the net export countries, we expect Tanzania likely to remain the country with the biggest exportable surplus. After bumper crops in 2023, 2024 and another above normal crop expected for 2025. The South African exportable surplus expected to decline by 500,000 tons due to low carrying stocks and only an average size crop expected. As indicated above, Zambia expected to rejoin the net exporting countries. Given expectations of a significantly healthier regional maize balance sheet, the market generally expects average prices to be materially lower the next 12 months when compared with the previous 12 months. During the last few months, as information regarding bigger crops in most countries in the region became known, prices have traded lower and in many cases significantly lower. Next week, we will look at the Zambia wheat market, currently in the middle of a large import campaign. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thank you, Jock. Always interesting. Now is the time to update your driveline. Get Zimmatic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer, available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zimmatic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zimmatic. A big thank you again to our sponsors, Collateral Management International and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems, for making this content possible. If you're interested in more detailed market reports or becoming a sponsor on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to join us again next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.